The Indian Air Force is set to procure 21 MiG-29s and 12 Su-30 MKI fighter jets from Russia. This development comes after the Indian Air Force signed a mega deal to acquire 83 Tejas LCA. The Defence Acquisition Council under the chairmanship of Minister Rajnath Singh had also approved the purchase of 21 MiG-29s along with the upgrade of 59 existing MiG-29 aircraft as well as the procurement of 12 Su-30 MKI aircraft. The Defence Ministry had said that procuring and upgrading MiG-29s from Russia would cost Rs 7,418 crore. And the Su-30 MKI will be procured from the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited at an estimated cost of 10,730 rupees crore. This could be big boost for Indian Air Force against its problematic neighbors. At $43 million per fighter, the Tejas Mk1A would be a viable competitor in the international market for light fighters. It would be less so if taxes took up its cost to $51 million. Competitors, such as the Sino-Pakistan JF-17 Thunder, are cheaper with a unit cost of $25 to $30 million. However, the Tejas Mk1A outperforms them in avionics and weaponry. This is through performance enhancements introduced into the Tejas Mk1A, compared to the current Mk1. The Mk1A features the Israeli ELTA 2052 active electronically scanned array radar, replacing the Mk1's manually scanned ELTA 2032 radar. None of the light fighters competing with the Tejas features an AESA radar, which provides a massive advantage in air-to-air as well as air-to-ground combat. A group of Indian military personnel is leaving for Russia in the next few days to undergo training on key operational aspects of the S-400 air defense systems, as Moscow looks at supplying the first batch of the missile to India later this year. India had signed a $5 billion deal with Russia to buy 5 units of the S-400 air defense missile systems, notwithstanding a warning from the Trump administration that going ahead with the contract may invite US sanctions. Around 100 Indian military personnel are leaving for Russia this month for the S-400 training program. Russia is expected to start delivery of the S-400 missile systems later this year. Along with S-400 systems project, both sides are successfully moving towards implementation of AK-203 Kalashnikov's contract, the Ka-226 helicopters program as well as cooperation in the areas of combat aviation including the Su-30 MKI project.